飓风意大利亚横扫佛州，风暴过后才看清楚威力有多强。灾区犹如轰炸过后的战场。
I'm feeling great. The house is still here. I'm told 2 people stayed here. I don't know who they were, but there's so many houses that are gone.
3名陆续返家，住了多年的房子只剩残骸，有妈妈抱着女儿痛哭失声。
It's just material stuff.
I know, but this is our retirement, our own life.
It's material. We're going to rebuild.
佛州大湾区是重灾区，最强阵风每小时高达200公里，有加油站挡不住强风，被吹翻。
I can't believe this. I've never seen nothing like it. Before we can get out, man, like so quick.
海水倒灌街头，罕见的浪潮侵袭住家。这名在抖音贴出凌晨4点在淹水区游泳画面。
Cars were flooded, the trailer homes. I mean, it was up to our knees, our waist. We're riding bikes through it, so it got pretty high.
当地岛屿雪松礁甚至一度出现接近3公尺高的暴潮，甚至还有民众录下原本行驶的车子在狂风中不停翻转。另外，清水城整座城市被水淹，惨成汪洋。佛州州长迪尚特带着夫人前往重灾区视察。
I know it's going to be a lot of work, but we will get everyone back on their feet.
美国总统拜登火速宣布，佛州为重大灾区，将调动联邦资金全力救灾。TVBS 新闻综合报道。
想看最完整的新闻内容，记得下载 TVBS 新闻网 APP。